The Amrita University application forms are available on the official website of Amrita University. Candidates can fill the application forms online. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the Amrita University application form. Visit the official website, that is www.amrita.edu. Then, hover the cursor over the academic tab on the home page and choose the course of your choice. You will be redirected to the course page where the course details and the name of the campuses offering the course will be displayed. Now, click on the Apply Now button. Register as new candidate by clicking on the button. Fill in the required details such as name, email ID, mobile number, previous qualifying examination, etc. Now, click on the Register button. Proceed on to filling the complete application form with details such as name of the candidate, date of birth, gender, communication address, category, etc. Upload the scanned copies of a photograph and signatures in the prescribed format. Carefully read the instructions given on the page when uploading the photograph and signatures. Click on Save and Proceed button. Step 2 of the Amrita University application form includes selecting your choice of program. Candidates can choose multiple programs according to their preference. After choosing your preferred course, click on Proceed to the Next Step button. Select the preferred campuses and fill in the qualification test details. Students can choose up to 4 campus choices. Candidates will also be required to fill in details such as last studied institute and work experience if any. Finally, click on Save Application. In the step 3 of the application process, students need to fill in their academic details including name of the examination, class 10th and class 12th marks, marks obtained in graduation, etc. Now, click on Save and Proceed to Next Step button. Candidates will now be redirected to the Payment Gateway page. Check the courses you have applied for and the application cost and proceed on to paying the application fee by clicking on the Click here to proceed for fee payment button. Candidates can make the fee payment through UPI, credit card, debit card, internet banking and other banking wallets. Once the fee payment has been made, take a printout of the Amrita University application form and fee receipt. That was all about Amrita University application process. All the best.